So today I'm changing the engine oil on my first gen Honda CR-V. Just have to remove the oil cap on the valve cover. This way the oil will drain faster. And then just have to remove this drain. This one, it's a 17mm bolt. You just remove it and the oil will drain. Okay, so while the oil is draining, we can remove the oil filter. It's right under there. So I had to use this tool to remove it. Then you can put oil on the joint of the new filter, just a bit. And then you can install the new filter. I took a Bosch. Then you can replace the washer on the drain with a new one. And you can reinstall the drain. Don't tighten it too strong. I just do it by hand. That's enough. Okay. You can clean a bit around the drain and also the oil that leaked from the filter. Then you can refill the engine oil. So 5W30 and around 3.7 liters. I mean, between the two lines, let's put a bit more, because the new filter is going to take some also when you start. Yeah, okay, I'm almost at the top line. So I'm going to start the engine and check the level again after. I'm sure the filter is going to take some oil. Okay, let's start the engine for 30 seconds. Okay, should be enough. Same level, so I'm going to add a bit more. Yep, almost full, perfect. That's it. That's how you change your oil on your Honda CR-V. I'm not a professional, but I'm sure everyone does it the same. One more thing you can do is use a tool to open up your old filter to see if there is metal shavings or anything that shouldn't be in there. This way it can give you a good idea of the health of your engine. I'm going to do it now, but on another video, because I want to do a full review of this tool.